Hey there, what's up Sonic Squad Protectors? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog, back at it with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a sound comparison once again. So let's go ahead, get you taken care of there, squad. Alright, let me go ahead and get you synced here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 7 sync snaps. So today I'm going to be doing a clock comparison with 390, 394, and the 399. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so that's number 1. I'll go ahead and do number 2 now. Alright, I'm here at the 394. So let's go ahead and let's do the sound comparison. There we go. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, off to the 399. Here we go. Alright, I'm here at the 399. Here we go. This is the last one. Well, what do you think of the sound comparison? You guys, you squad, let me know in the comments down below. Alright squad, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to spin that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications down below if you guys don't want to miss out on any future bangers I have in the future. Well, that's gonna settle for this video. Until for next time, I will see you guys later on the next video. Hedgehogs out. Peace.
Hegel.